let's say that we have 77 grams of gold. And I wish to determine how many moles of gold we have. The molar mass of gold, if you consult your periodic table or your app, is 197 grams. So moles goes on top so that grams of gold cancel. And then on the calculator, it will be 77 divided by 197 moles of gold, which corresponds to 0.391 grams of gold. By the way, gold has a symbol AU because the Latin term is auric. So 0.391 grams of, not grams of gold, moles of gold. So now let's say we have 0.117 moles of CO2. And I want to convert this to grams. And I know that I have 1 mole. Now the mole goes in the denominator of CO2. And then I have 44.01 grams of CO2 in the numerator. Moles of CO2 cancel. And now I'm simply going to multiply 0.117 times 44.01. And that is 5.15 grams of CO2. So we're going to convert grams to moles. So we have 27.0 grams of aluminum chloride. And the molar mass of aluminum chloride is 133.341 grams in 1 mole of aluminum chloride. And of course, grams of aluminum chloride will cancel. My answer will be 0.202 moles. Okay, so now we want to look at 0.778 moles of benzene, that's C6H6. 1 mole of C6H6. And again, you can use your app for this or the periodic table. .1118 grams. Moles of benzene cancels. So that's 0.778 times 78.1118, giving us an answer of 60 0.77 grams of benzene.